All right, we're talking about how a program director decides what kind of syndicated programming they're going to buy. And a lot of that is based on the potential profit that they can make. So the problem that I gave you was Everybody Loves Raymond, 4-year contract, $400,000 for the life of that contract. There's 100 episodes per year. The potential viewers is 20,000, and that will be based on the ratings. The CPM stands for cost per thousand. Think of that M as the Roman numeral M, which stands for 1,000. And, oh, I've already given you a hint here. Let me erase that very quickly. And we have 2 by 2 minute commercial breaks and a 1:30 end break. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how much it's going to cost per year for this show. So we want to take a 4-year contract, and we're paying $400,000 for all 4 years. If we do that math, it turns out to be $100,000 per year. How many episodes are in a year? 100. And we're paying $100,000 per year. So now we can figure out how much money we're going to spend per episode. We're going to take that 100, divide it into 100,000, and we come up with 1,000. So we're going to pay $1,000 per episode for this show. So what's our potential profit? First, we need to figure out how much a 30-second spot is going to cost. So if we back up and we look at the CPM number again, that's 25. So the advertising community is willing to pay $25 for every 1,000 people watching. We have a potential viewership of 20,000 people. So that means there are 20 sets of 1,000 people willing to watch this, and the advertising community is going to pay us $25 for each of those sets. So we're going to go back over here, take that 20 sets, which is how many thousands of people are watching. We're going to multiply it by our cost per thousand, which is 25. And if we do the math there, that equals $500 per 30-second commercial. Now, how many 30-second spots can we fill in this show? Well, they tell us that there's 2 2-minute commercial breaks. And in a 2-minute commercial break, we have the potential for 4 30-second spots. So if we have 2 of those, it's 2 times 4. So that's 8. So there's 8 commercial breaks here. Then we add the 3 30-second spots from down there to come up with a total of 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 spots that we can sell for $500 each. So there's 11 spots in one episode. We're selling them for $500 a piece. So if we take that 11 and we multiply it by 500, we'll come up with $5,500 that we can make per episode if we had 100% sellout. Now, in general, when you're talking about syndication programming, in general, you figure that you're only going to sell out 80% of the show. So really, you should take 80% of that. But regardless, it's a big profit. So if we're only paying $1,000 and we're going to make $5,500, that gives us a potential profit of $4,500. So you, as the program director, would tell your people to definitely go ahead and buy that show because there's a big potential profit there.